Good morning, everybody. Good morning, everybody. I woke up and I'm gonna go to the kitchen and see what my husband's doing. Oh, good morning, Rover. Good morning, Annie. Hey, how's your sleep? It was good. Oh, that's great. Where's Kate? She's upstairs, I think. Ooh, this is good. I feel like going in the rain. So yeah. I know I just took a shower, but I mean, only once in a lifetime that I actually get to do this. So let's go sit in the rain. Morning, Mom. Morning, Dad. Morning, Kate. Come eat your breakfast, honey. Thank you. You're welcome. Alright, guys, we're going now because Kate said she wanna go and get her hair done, so we're gonna get her hair done. You ready? Yep, I'm ready. Let's go. Do you know what hairstyle you wanna get? I'm not too sure, but let's go. Gee, is that Kayla? Oh my god, Michaela! Kate, how are you? Oh, I'm doing good. How are you? I'm doing it's fine. Do you guys know each other? No, it's my bestie. I didn't know you work here. Oh yeah, I'm just a little bit tired. I'll help you out. Come over here. Okay. Okay, honey, I'll be waiting for you. Okay, Mom. Well, that's good. Just a lot of work. Alright, guys. Hope you guys like this video. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, like, turn